Imagine if you could build one simple AI system one time and use that exact same thing to sell to every small business owner in your area. No coding, no tech skills, no prior marketing experience. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. And here's the crazy part. Total beginners are using this exact same system to land a local business clients for $300 to $500 a month. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how this whole thing works and how you can actually start selling it as soon as this week. And if you want the full course plus the templates, scripts, and a live bootcamp to get this entire business set up 100% for free, all you got to do is smash that like button and drop a comment below, and I'll shoot that private link over to you.
So how this business model actually works is we're going after small local business owners. So think like your local chiropractor, your local dentist or real estate agent. And what we're doing, instead of offering Facebook ads or doing SEO for these businesses, is we're going to actually set them up with simple AI software where we can get paid $300 to $500 per month. And the reason that we want to set up our business in this way is because we don't want to have to be stuck selling our time as a service. We want to be able to sell simple AI solutions that take about 10 minutes for you to set up for the business one time, and then you get paid on that monthly ongoing basis. Now here's the actual easy yes offer that you can sell as a total beginner to these small businesses. What we're gonna do is reach out to these small local business owners in your local area, and we're gonna say, hey, I'll build you an AI agent that gets you appointments in 7 days with $0 in ad spend, or you pay nothing. And then we just ask them if that's something that's of interest to them. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what problem we're actually solving for these small local business owners. So I'm just gonna head over here to Google, and for this example, I'm gonna type in plumbers in Orlando. Now, if I was a potential customer, let's say I had a leak in my bathroom, and I lived in the Orlando area and I needed to get a hold of a plumber, what I would do is I would just Google, like most people do if we're looking for a small local business in our area, is we just type in the name of the business and then we say plumber near me or HVAC near me. And then what we get is a list of all of the plumbing businesses. And so I'm just gonna click on more businesses right here. And so if I actually had a plumbing issue, what I would do is I would find one of these businesses, probably one that had good reviews, and then I would just give them a phone call. But the problem is, most of these business owners are not able to pick up the phone because they're either busy on the job or they're getting phone calls after hours. And so if I called Emerald Plumbing and they didn't pick up the phone, I would just call the next business. And I would continue calling these businesses until I actually had somebody who would pick up the phone and I could actually schedule an appointment with. And so what we're gonna actually offer to these small local businesses is an AI voice agent that picks up any of their missed calls. And so this includes after hours phone calls and any call that they're not able to get to because they're busy on the job. And so if you think about this, if Emerald Plumbing had an AI agent set up in their business to actually answer their phone calls. If I was in the area actually looking for a plumber and I called them and they weren't able to get to the phone, instead of me going and calling the next business down the list, Emerald Plumbing right here would have an AI voice receptionist answer the phone. It would be trained to the specific business, and it would even be able to ask me specific questions to understand my needs and then actually schedule a job with me right there on the spot. And then if we actually think of this in terms of how much a customer is worth to a business, depending on what the business is and what they're actually doing, what their service is for that customer, if they as a business are able to save one customer even just in a month from a missed call, that could be worth hundreds of dollars and potentially thousands depending on the type of business. All right, so now that we kind of broken down the problem, that we kind of understand what we're fulfilling, what we're going to do to help small local business owners, we're gonna go ahead and actually set up an AI agent so that you can see how we can actually get this set up in a matter of minutes for a business to have it start taking calls for them as soon as you get them to say, yes, I want this. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come in here to this simple AI software, and all that I'm gonna do is just click on settings right here, and then I'm just gonna click on voice AI agents. And so we're just gonna build this out right now for a plumbing business. I'm actually gonna select this Emerald Plumbing right here, but I'm gonna click on create agent, and then I'm just gonna create a custom agent. And so for this part, we're just gonna give the agent a name. So I'm just gonna name the agent John, and then we're gonna actually pull up this website because we're gonna use the website of Emerald Plumbing to actually train the AI. And so I'm just gonna put in Emerald Plumbing, and then we're just gonna select a voice. As you can see, 212 voices found. We can choose a language, we can choose an accent. For right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in a voice that I already like. So I'm just gonna click on mark right there, and then I'm just gonna click save voice. Next thing that we wanna do is we wanna just add the agent's initial message, which is like the first thing that it's going to say when it picks up the phone call. And so I'm literally just gonna paste the name of the business right there. Hey, you've reached Emerald Plumbing. How can I help you today? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next. And then what we wanna do right here is actually, it's extremely simple right here. What we're gonna set up is inside of agent goals right here is we're gonna switch to advanced mode. And what I did is I actually went to ChatGPT and I said, hey, can you give me some common questions that a plumber would ask a new customer on the phone? So like kind of like a script, if there was a 3 to 5 minute call of what's typical, what kind of information a plumbing business would want to collect from somebody who needed service. And so I got a bunch of questions here. And so I asked it to just give me a top 5. And so I'm just going to copy these questions right here, and then we're going to paste it into the script. And so as you can see, we switched to advanced mode, but literally the only difference between what we were at before, which is basic mode, in advanced mode, what we're able to do is give the AI specific questions that it can ask the customer or whoever is calling in. And we just add it right here in this prompt. And so I'm just gonna make a couple of tweaks. You are John at Emerald Plumbing. And then I'm just gonna put ask the following questions in this order. And so I'm just gonna paste those questions in. And then right here where it says set up your actions, I'm just gonna click on new action, and we're gonna select appointment booking because we wanna have the goal of the AI agent to book an appointment. And so I'm just gonna select calendar right there. And then I'm just gonna hit save. And then we have this toggled on right here, which means it's just gonna send it an email, and we can have it set up to send a text as well to the business owner every time the AI handles a phone call. And it's just gonna give an update about what was talked about on the phone call so that when the business owner actually goes through and connects with whoever it is that called into the business, they know exactly what their needs are, what was talked about. And so we're just gonna go ahead and click on next. And right here is where we just select a number for the AI voice agent. And so I'm just gonna select this one right there. And what we would typically do is have your customer go through and buy a number. It literally costs $1. And what we also wanna tell them, because most business owners, they don't wanna change their phone number. They have their phone number on their website, on their maybe on their truck, on their Facebook page, all over. People have their phone number and they don't wanna change it. And so all that we're doing is we're setting this up so that anytime they miss a call of somebody calling into their current number, it's just gonna forward to this new AI number for the AI voice agent to take over. And then we have, as you can see, this toggled on right there, which means the AI agent is the backup. It's gonna answer the phone if the business owner can't get to the phone call, but we can also turn it off if they want the AI agent to answer every single call directly. And so I'm gonna actually leave this toggled off right now because we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna give this AI phone number a call so that you can see how this works in action after we just spent about 3 to 5 minutes setting this up.
Hey, you have reached Emerald Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I've got a leak in my bathroom, and so I was wondering if I could get somebody to come take a look at that.
Got it. Let me help you with that. Can I start by getting your name and the address where the service is needed?
Yeah, my name is Travis, and it's 123 Main Street. We're just in Orlando.
Thanks, Travis. So that's 123 Main Street in Orlando, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Can you tell me a bit more about the leak? When did it start, and would you say it's an emergency?
It started earlier this morning. It's not an emergency, but if you could get somebody out within the next couple hours.
Understood. Let me check our availability for you. What's the best phone number to reach you at?
You can give me a call at this number. Do you have that?
Yes, I've got the number you're calling from. Thanks for confirming. Here are the available slots for today, October 3rd. 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 1 p.m. Do any of these work for you?
Yeah, let's do 1 p.m.
Great choice. I see we have your email as travis@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
You're all set, Travis. Your appointment is confirmed for today, October 3rd at 1 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, do you know who's going to be coming out to service the leak?
I don't have the specific technician details on hand, but rest assured one of our skilled professionals will be there at 1 p.m. to take care of the leak. If you need anything else before then, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
All right, now the last thing that I want to just show you here real quick is how we can actually train an AI specific to a business. And so I didn't train the AI for that specific demo, but if we wanted to actually have the AI know everything about who the technician is or what the hours are, or any other information, we would just come to the website of the business owner that we signed up, or if it's for your business, we would just copy your URL. And then right here where it says select knowledge base, we would just click on create new. And so all I'm going to do in here is I'm going to click on add source, and then where it says web crawler, all I'm going to do is just paste in the URL, and I'm just going to click on extract data. What it's now going to do is take a few seconds. It's going to upload. It's going to learn everything that is on this website on every single page. And then if the business owner had other questions or information that they wanted the AI to know about their business that maybe isn't on their website, we could just come in here to FAQs, or frequently asked questions. So add source, FAQ, and then we would just add any additional info the business owner would want the AI to know. So I hope you can see how literally every single small local business owner that does not have this, which is a majority of these small local businesses, they need this. They need AI so that they can make more money, so that they can save deals, and you can come in and save the day and help them. And for just $300 to $500 a month, you can go through and set this up. It's a one-time simple setup. It's not like you have to go through and do Facebook ad management. And like I said, if you guys just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I will send you a private link to my free course to show you guys how to get started. I'll get you the extended 30-day free trial to that software. I'll show you how to get clients. I'll show you how to fulfill for clients. And I even have a lot of other free ways to go through and get clients, the scripts, the templates, the whole fulfillment process, how you can add other simple services on top of it. And so that is all jam-packed in there, 100% for free. And like I said, guys, I have no paid courses. I have no paid coaching program. I have no paid masterminds. And so that is not my hidden agenda. My hidden agenda, if you will, is I want you to sign up for the software through my affiliate link, because the cool thing is it will cost you $0 more to use my affiliate link, but it's going to give me a little bit of a kickback. And so then I can provide all this awesome value and training and courses and templates and coaching 100% for free, because I'm able to get a kickback from the software. Appreciate you watching. If you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.